Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new, my name is Naomi. So today guys, I'll be doing a simple video I saw online. It's about a face mask, and I thought since I'm having some whiteheads on around my nose, I should try it, and I want to give it a try. I hope that you will enjoy this video. As you go on, make sure if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. Like so that it can be recommended to other viewers, and make sure you comment and share. So I have my egg white. This is my egg white, and this is my egg white, and I have a brush. If you don't have a brush, you can just simply use your hands to apply on the face. Apply it on the affected areas, or you can just apply it on the whole face. I also have a serviette which I'm going to mask it on my face. So I'm going to do it right away, guys. So guys, my face isn't really affected apart from my nose, which is not much, but I thought I should just give it a try. If it works, then maybe I should be trying it more often. I'll just reapply it so that it can mask up so well. Shikilia vizuri ndio isitokane. So that's it, guys. We're going to give it around 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll be back and see what will be the results. So I'm back, guys, after like 10-15 minutes, and imekauka kabisa. I can't even open my mouth. So let's see how it looks. Be careful with this. Inaweza toka na ngozi. Look at that, guys. This is how it looks. My face is super soft. In just 10 minutes, I feel so soft. So I'll just go and wash it, and then I'll be back. So I'm back, guys, from washing my face, and as you can see, I'm feeling really soft. I'm feeling so soft. So I think this is a natural face mask that I can recommend to anyone. You can try it. Comment on the comment section. Give this video a like. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching, and watch out for my next video. Bye bye.